everybody, this is Kathy from Katzelcreate and welcome back to our channel. So today I am coming along with a project share, and this project share is with items that I received from Beebeecraft. So let me go ahead and show you the items I received. I got these letters, these bead letters, and there you go. As you guys can see, they are pretty clear. There is about 1,000 of them in the package. So oh yes, it is so fun and so exciting to play with these. So I got that. I also got these cute little hearts, and there is about 100 in the package. Actually, there is 100 in the package. I actually counted it just to let you guys know. And then I also received these spacers. They did not come in this container. They came up in a little baggie, but they do come in these right here, these little cute brown containers, and they are so cute. So you get 5 different colors on these. You get the gold. You get like this is more like a dark silver, like a dark silver. This is a mid silver color, sorry, and this is a lighter silver, and this is a antique color looking. So there you go. So you asked, what did I end up making this time? Well, let me go ahead and show you. So for the beads, I just went ahead and added onto a project that I had already made. And so the letter beads, I ended up adding them actually to this stopper. So there you go. So that way when I go crafting with friends, or I have people come and visit me that want to craft with me, and I end up making a bottle of glue for them or something, I already know which one is my glue because it is, my name's on here, as you guys could see. Oh, if I could, sorry, there you go, Kathy's. So this is mine. So I just went ahead and did it to a previous added it onto a previous project, and this is what it looks like. Oh, sorry you guys, let me just go ahead and take it off of that. So there you go. Look at that. Let me go ahead and lay it down for you in Kathy's play. And there you go. And then I also made this cute little card. And this is using the letter and the spacers and the cute little heart right here. And here you go. And happy day. And as you guys could see, the spacers are right here. The letters are right there. Oh my goodness, this is so cute. And then I went ahead and put the heart right there. And I thought this right here was a lovely addition to my card because it was lacking something. So I went ahead and added this little heart there. And it turned out so adorable. So that is my project for this week. And I will be coming along with project number 2 next week. Thank you everybody for taking the time to watch, and I will link all the items from Beebeecraft down in the description below. Also, if you order anything over $40, there is a coupon code under my name, and it's Kathy5. So make sure you look into that. If you order anything over $25, you get free shipping. So that's an awesome addition to everything. Their prices are great. Their items and products are so amazing. I do really recommend you guys go over and check them out if you haven't done so yet. So I will link everything down in the description below. Also, Beebeecraft also has a YouTube program where if you make videos and you have over 100 subscribers and you are willing to make and promote items for them, basically you make a project share and of whatever item you received, and upload it onto your YouTube video. So I'll link that down on the description as well, so you guys can check it out. Just basically email them your information and they will get in contact with you what the requirements are. So thank you again for taking the time to watch, and we'll see you guys on our next video. Bye for now.